Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant. We are encountered an unknown error. Please wait a moment and try again. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the internet icon or here and select diagnose network problems. After getting your connected to the internet, we doesn't find any problems with your network. After getting this, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Find VGC service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close tab here. Now go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these commands, just need to close tab here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find Valorant folder. Double click on it. Saved folder. Now you just need to find web cache folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. Now you just need to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.